Today, I want to introduce you to our specialty shirt service, designed for shirts that require extra care due to their unique design and construction.
Do you own shirts that have intricate designs such as guayabera or tuxedo shirts? These shirts often come with unique fabrics and intricate construction details that need additional finishing to ensure they look and feel their best. Our specialty shirt service is perfect for these needs. Our specialty shirt service is suitable for shirts of all cuts and fits, whether they are standard, slim, or anything in between. This service is also ideal for shirts with any type of button or special appointments, such as appliques, decorative elements, and flap pockets. At Sudsies, we understand the importance of maintaining the distinct features of these specialty shirts. Our experienced artisans use advanced cleaning techniques tailored to the specific requirements of each shirt. We ensure that the fabrics are treated gently, preserving their unique characteristics and extending their lifespan. After the cleaning process, we pay special attention to the finishing touches. Each shirt is exquisitely finished to maintain its unique design and ensure optimal wearability. We focus on areas like collars, cuffs, and seams to make sure every detail is perfect. With Sudsies specialty shirt service, your unique shirts receive the care and attention they deserve, ensuring they remain in excellent condition and ready for any occasion. Thank you for considering Sudsies Dry Cleaners. Garments love us.
Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found it helpful or enjoyable, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more informative content like this. This gesture means a lot to us and helps us create better videos in the future. Oh, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you'll be notified whenever we post a new video. Thank you for being part of the Sudsies community.